In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Slack to apollo.io. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to log into your apollo.io account. Just navigate to your favorite web browser, enter your credentials, and get yourself to the apollo.io dashboard. Now that you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see a little gear icon. That's the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click the gear icon, a sidebar menu will pop up with several options to choose from. Here, you want to select Integrations. This section is where all the magic happens, and it's where we'll find Slack. As you scroll through the integration options, take a moment to admire how many tools you can connect with Apollo. But for today, we have our eyes set on Slack. When you spot it, go ahead and click the Connect option next to Slack. Now, this click will trigger a pop-up window in your browser. This window is important because it's here you'll give permission for apollo.io and Slack to work together seamlessly. Take a second to review the access permissions they're asking for. Make sure you're comfortable with them because this is how Apollo will communicate with your Slack account. Once you've looked everything over and you're ready to proceed, go ahead and click Allow. This gives Apollo the green light to connect with Slack, and you'll see a confirmation that the connection has been made successfully. And that's it! You've just linked Slack to apollo.io, which will make your workflow so much smoother. Imagine being able to receive updates from Apollo straight into your Slack channels. It's a game changer for communication and productivity. If at any point you encounter issues during this process, don't hesitate to revisit the steps or consult the support resources available on apollo.io. They usually have user-friendly guides and support to help you troubleshoot any hiccups. To recap, just remember these key steps. Log into your apollo.io account, head to the settings, select Integrations, find Slack, click Connect, and review those permissions before hitting Allow. Simple enough, right? As you start enjoying this integration, think about how you can leverage apollo.io even further to boost your productivity. Whether it's enhancing your team collaboration or receiving updates without having to constantly check in on your Apollo dashboard, linking these two platforms can really elevate your work strategies. So thank you for following along in this video. If linking Slack to apollo.io was helpful for you today, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this to help you get the most out of your tools. Happy integrating, and I'll